buy vegan.
And then, yeah, should I buy that?
Should I buy vegan? So, yes, my beautiful peeps, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, whenever time you're watching this video. Yeah, man, so right now, with the way around one part, round so go round so and come back round so. Yeah, man, remember, my peeps, like, comment, share. Yeah, man, and remember, subscribe, press the post notification bell if you haven't already. So, I'm going to show you what we are dealing with. We're going to put up some water gutter in around the house. Yeah, man, we didn't build this one, but we get the job to put up some water gutter around the garage area and send it into a tank below. So, yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we did start to put some the water gutter from yesterday. Yeah, man, so this, but we reach up here late in the afternoon around 6 o'clock. So, this is how we are going with, so we are showing how we are deal with it today. This is a 1 kg. Yeah, man, so what am I doing, man? Then, tell the people what I deal with now, man. Tell the people what I deal with.
Well, it's a one tank, peeps. Go away too little so we are wide meat and fresh up your deal with.
Oh, that is it. And you have Judge around here, so. Mason Judge around at one part. Yeah. Yeah.
That is it. We have one spirit alcohol here, no?
Okay. That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That is it,
Yes,
man.
my fave. See, boss, so we take a suicide walk. Look for today right now. That's how we have to go deal now. Oh,
That's the thief, so.
inside, yeah.
Well, yesterday got to put up like that. Well, yeah, it's a fair fall and thing, you know, but the problem we're facing right now, down this side of the roof is lower than that side of the roof. So, right now, even though you're looking at that like you're going on a slant, right now, it's level. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just the roof. And I'd have to get a little fall on it. You know, welfare. Go all the way down to the bottom of the fascia board. And we're coming from the top up here, so. And that is almost level. So, that is a little problem we're facing. Maybe the way them cut the belt beam for the roof, I don't know. So, that is it. We're going to work it out though. Water gutter we're putting around. And that I tank right down there, so them pipe there. We're down one part. Yeah, man, so we're going to put them pipe. Let me zoom up. So the roof water can come right there, so. You see the little pipe will come out of the tank, the top of the tank. Yes. And we're putting a let out, because they didn't build any let out in the building it. So, that is it, my peeps.
Yeah, KG burst the tank, let out all of the water because they didn't put no let out part on it, so good it. I fix this business. Just like I'm gonna fix this one business.
It's a drain. Yeah, man, so we are look at one part in a Spalding Stone. But watch you know, me peeps. But watch you know. POS. But me I go fix them business right now. Yeah, man. What's them sting me up yesterday, you know, peeps? They stung me. Yeah, man. And round at this part, yeah. They have some more, so go fix them business, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and that a Kirk run on one part, eh? So I must set up something for lights on fire. Must set up some things to light on fire for them wasps. Yeah, man, have to take care of them business, you know. Have to fix them business before them fix ours. Huh? Yeah, man, when the sun hot, boy, KJ, I make up pea nice with the shovel. KJ, tell the people what you do with that, huh? What you do?
I do some of this, man. I tell people saying, can't talk up. I go do it now.
Yes, the peeps, Kirk got light out and what's there now.
Installation of water trough to lead the water to the tank that KJ was blocking up. Jeremy and KJ on the roof constructing the water trough, trying to catch a level accurate enough. That's KJ holding the card line and Jeremy and Brian using the drill. Boy, I have great hands to, you know, peeps. Now drop a catch. Watch KJ around there contemplate with was. They not even see him, peeps. See that, my peeps? So much footage that so much feet in the front ground. Still have to make a bread for your family them. Jaja go and catch you at the place, yes, sir.
Yes, my pips. Yeah, man. Yeah, I do the right thing, you know?
Nigga, what you want on him?
Yeah, man. Pull off them what's the way around and one part.
Yeah, man, me dey explain for me, you know. You want to leave that? You want to find water? What's the water inside? Fast move on there. Mind still drip you. Good boy, move. Good boy, move.
Yeah. If I did not, we catch all of them, you know?
I just down there, so you want to go, budge like. Yeah, right there, so. Just this alone, no problem. No end part, you know. Right here.
Yeah, because that's how we sit.
I feel so good inside.
That's how we sit. So we may just jack the muscle.
Because everywhere is alright. I just this out way irregular. When I consider safe, if you show it, remember say water, you know. You know, I said if you water can travel front and back.
I said we catch you already, but we still can't carry this thing, so.
Oh. Fuck, if you left it them in the yard now. The big old man the back of you. I dig out bug out your mouth, out your nose and never been in your mouth. If you left in my yard now, yeah man. Big old steel man. I dig out bug out your nose and I put in your mouth and beeps. Fox, watch him now carry my doors here. Watch him carry my doors off.
My doors off?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I'm Jackson, man.
Yo, watch him, I must say roof in the pan.
I'm ready last night, man.
I say I'm going to use my finger and screw you up.
Big bags.
Life too sweet, daddy. Magnum.
A stunt in a peeps.
You know me a prize bull in a youth.
Long time boy do stunting, be rock climbing or something. Yeah. Jermaine, tell him about the rock climbing now.
What kind of rock? Up in the hills?
Yeah, and he used to climb the rock there with the rope and so forth. But then when you're a youth, I go look at Guinea Pan and tell Guinea tree then up in the hills.
Yeah, put your name back in, you can see where sit down, you know.
Eh. Far.
See, put your up on their body, brother.
Too far.
Brother, put your up on their body, like that.
Yes, for peeps. So, just finished. You know, the gutter, so I'm going to test it. Just need a little bottle still, you know, but you know, me extra, so we use plenty water. Wow. Wow. Yes. I see how me did it. Yeah, man. Yes. Me run the go look. Reach it. Go down. Yes, I. That is it.
Progress.
Progress.
That is it. Yes, no man.
That is it.
What you say?
Yes, sir.
Original coconut milk basket.
Oh, man, that is it. Yo, smell connect this one. Go right in another party.
So you have to say about it, Jermaine, Brian.
Well, I feel good, you know. Feel proud. Well, you know, we're pros anyway, so. But I'm printing for the video. Pros in a real life. So, yeah, man, that is it. Just a short film all one. We do every little thing.
So KJ, give me a take now.
Man, live on top of roof. Never seen it like that.
What you say, I'm a drop basket.
Man, have jobs on top of a roof.
Second man, I see the button.
What you say, Jaja?
Yeah, man, a second man, I see the it, man.
Sleep on top of
Last
roof.
time I see a man, he says, stress out.
So what,
On 2 floor, no, brother.
so what couldn't cause him stress up on
Boy,
2 floor?
that's the one I look for. You then did your hospital still, you know?
Oh, we understand that
Yeah,
part of
that's
the phrase,
what
man.
you done there, but this go
We
forward, you
understand
know?
that part.
Yeah.
So KJ,
What kind
how
of
what cause him job of late now?
And
on
that's the
top of
last
roof?
night. That's you last night, you reaching late, as me reaching not enough for last night, I'm just gonna be and drop asleep.
Said,
Food
said
strip
it
now.
on diet.
I'm not really there now, so they're on the road and we get some feet on the road now, but we there drink. And then
Where did that drink, KJ?
drink Magnum, Jagan, 1-2 craving here, I don't know. No,
So
drink
it's,
crumb cream. That's what I mean, everything, man.
so it's all link up then. It's all guys link up last night to have some juice.
Hey, cause I just some of them go home.
No wait till some of them go up.
Let's link up with some man, man, and you know, they trying to go away, but
Yeah.
I ain't get enough sleep last night. I'm jump.
So Mr. Brian, I want to put on the table last night for your fun.
Me go to my bed, brother, but yes, for peeps, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember, press the post notification bell if you haven't already, but yeah, man, that is it. So we're there, go and do the do.
Yeah, tap the video.
Natural coconut juice. What you have to say to the peeps?
I'm just going to look finish up, you know?
That makes sense. Me.
Yeah.
My father, alright, my father,
That is
respect.
it.
Alright, guidance.
What that choose? Just what that choose?
Somehow, call me person, you know. Come on, person, call the pipe, you know. We even put in
Let's
rap.
promote them.
No, nobody come go like you want for reason, right? So, if there's anything to me, You laugh, I put you laugh on what?
Oh, hold. You have something to cut it down here, sir?
Listen, you put that one in there.
Come.
You will do this.
You have cut this up, you cut. No. Come in.
Come on the inside again. Right, Jaja?
Yeah, if you go through it, give me a minute.
Yeah, man. Hillside. 5 floor on my house time. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Telephone side, brother.
Yeah. See me?
So yes, my peeps, come to the end of another video, another day's work, you know? Yeah, man, so that is it, my peeps. Finish. So we're headed home now. Remember, my peeps, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Remember also to press the post notification bell. That is it. And the boy Jaja. Big bass, you know, man.